is Tara Downey, and today I will be discussing Kanban boards using the Zara as an example. First, let's talk about Zara. Zara is one of the largest clothing and accessory retailers in the world. They were founded in 1975 in Spain. They have about 2,000 stores, and in 2015 they made about $15.9 billion in revenue. Zara uses Kanban, specifically just-in-time inventory controls, to keep their storefronts current. Typical retailers will come out with new lines 4 times a year, seasonally, but Zara has been very innovative using Kanban and just-in-time inventory, in that it allows them to be almost constant with their coming out with new designs, and using the system they're able to go from design to the storefront within just 15 days. In the individual Zara store, Kanban is used by each store manager, in that they give feedback every day to headquarters on what their loyal customers want and want to see on the shelves. And then headquarters takes that and takes a broad overview approach from all the feedback they get from all their managers to identify trends. From those trends, they're able to design new clothes and accessories that make their customers happy consistently. And again, they're able to deliver those new trends quickly. Specifically, storefront managers are able to receive new inventory after they're giving this input out within just 2 days from headquarters. So it's a very efficient system, and it keeps them up to date and their storefronts looking good.
Hello, my name is Rhoda Sitole from the Purple team. We evaluated project teams that used Kanban boards to improve workflow and communications. We'll briefly define Kanban and outline the different examples of teams that have used it. Kanban is a manufacturing tool that originated from Toyota Motor Company in Japan. Kanban enables the production of items efficiently by informing on what, when, and the quantities to produce. Materials at each production workstation are supplied just in time, and production quantities are specified according to demand. This results in a reduction in inventory, production cycle time, and lead times, really leading to increased productivity. Speed of information exchange is also enhanced in this system. All these result in customer satisfaction. Now, let's consider Siemens Standard Drives Congleton factory in the United Kingdom. This company that employs 420 people designs and produces electronic drives. Siemens has many awards for achievements resulting from their lean production and use of tools. Since implementing the lean production, Siemens reduced cell work in progress by 98%. The quality was improved along with reduced rework, increasing productivity by more than 45%. Assemble time was reduced from 5 hours to only 7 minutes. And so really looking at the application of Kanban within Siemens, Siemens realized that they still had room for improvement in their bid for continuous improvement. They implemented the Kanban that allowed the customer demand to dictate production quantities. This resulted in the reduction of the batch sizes by about half, reducing work in progress, as you can see in the diagrams to the right. So the entire production system was made more visible also to the operators, who were informed of material supplies and consumption data real time. Furthermore, lead time was reduced per work center, as you can see in the diagrams to the right again. The other very significant change that Kanban brought within Siemens was the empowerment of the operators. These are the experts in their areas of operation, and so having the ability to make decisions by the operators was very effective for enhancing efficiencies. And so ultimately, the reduction in inventory led to better cash flows for Siemens. Thank you.
The global video gaming industry is worth around $100 billion worldwide, and using Kanban tools, they've been able to slash production costs by over 50% because it provides predictability, transparency, and optimization for the complex gaming production. According to Clinton Keith, who spent over 15 years in the game development industry, Scrum is still used in the pre-production phase because it makes sense there, but Kanban is used in the production phase, which compromises over 75% of the gaming budget. Here's a simple example of Kanban versus Scrum in the gaming industry. Suppose a project manager requests a character walking around in the game. That's going to require 3 separate skilled technicians, one to do the modeling, one to program the character and build a skeleton into the model, and one to add the audio with the footsteps for the character. If the project manager says the work needs to be completed in 2 days, and the modeler falls ill on the first day, everyone's going to fall behind. And this isn't immediately obvious or transparent on a Scrum task board. However, using a Kanban board, the absence would have drawn up a red flag straight away and let everyone else know to not fall behind.